Meaning of doorstop.
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 Doorstop. A doorstop is an object designed to hold a door open or prevent it from closing. It is usually wedge-shaped to keep the door in place by being pushed under the door or against the door frame. Doorstops can be made of a variety of materials such as rubber, wood, metal, or plastic. They are commonly used in both residential and commercial buildings to improve ventilation, allow easy access, or provide a hold-open feature for doors. In short, a doorstop is a practical and functional device that makes our lives easier and more convenient.